Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. It's an origami bell, and it's got a little handle you can hold it by. And it's a flicker. Ooh. Alright, well, I'm going to unfold it. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this bell flicker, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you could use a sheet of burnt paper cut square. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. Unfold and fold out the other way. And this is a pretty easy model too, so this is a good model for you if you're new. And now, blintz. So fold the 4 corners to the center. And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause and catch up, or use slow mode. The reason why we're blintzing is because it'll give it some more weight, and that's what makes it fly better. If we didn't blintz, it probably wouldn't fly as good because it'll be a lot lighter. Okay, and now take the 2 sides and fold them to the center. If we actually didn't blintz it, you'll probably end up with a bigger bell. A bigger bell, but it wouldn't fly as good though, because it's not heavy enough. Okay, back to the model. Okay, and we zoom in, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and we're going to fold it to here, or we're folding on this existing crease. If you look closely, I'm trying to get a grip. Okay, if you look closely, there's a crease right there. Just fold on that crease, and this is the handle, by the way. Rotate, and we don't have a crease right there, but we can make one. I'm just going to make a crease mark that marks the middle, so I'm going to bring these 2 points together and just make a crease mark. Okay, there we go. And now take this corner and fold it to the crease mark, but don't actually fold it, just make a couple of crease marks. Like that. It probably wouldn't hurt if you fold all the way across. You'll end up with an extra crease. Now fold it up so the 2 crease marks align with the edge. Crease sharply. Okay. So now we're going to narrow the handle out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to bisect these 2 sides. So we're going to take this edge and fold it to the middle. And on here we're going to squash it. And I'll show you how to squash it in just a second. So for the squash, we're going to squash it on this corner. Like that. So yeah, we're squashing on that corner. That's all I have to say. There we go. That's probably the hardest step of the whole model. And repeat on this side. So bisect it. So take this and fold it to the middle. And on here, we're going to make a squash that hits this point. There we go. There, it's pretty good. Alright. So there is the handle. And now it's just all about shaping to taste. So I'm going to fold this up, and this shaping is what makes it fly better too. So I'm just going to just fold this up. This is to taste. But actually I do have a little guide mark for this. I'm going to fold it up on that point, and I'm folding it up so that this corner aligns with that corner. So I'm going to pretend like there's an imaginary line that connects these 2 corners. But really, it's to taste. Just do it to taste. This is only if you want a guide mark, and that's what I'm doing. And same on this side. Okay, I'm just going to just eyeball what I did here. Okay, and then also I like to kind of fold this up too, just to give it some more rounding. Like this. Now for the actual bell part, fold this up in between the 2 corners. And now unfold and stick it inside. Like that. And now fold this edge up just a little bit. We're just closing this off. It's not going to fly good if it's just if it's open on the bottom, I don't think. Flickers fly best when it's one edge all the way around. One folded edge all the way around. Alright, increase this nice and sharp. And now take these little flaps on this side, these two tiny flaps, and just fold them over. That's what kind of helps it lock it. It's not going to be an ideal lock, but it's about as good as you can get. And same on this side. Alright, and here we have the bell. And now to make it fly a little bit better, I'm going to kind of keep these flaps down by just pinching them in half. Or just pinching them like this. That keeps them down. And same on the bulky one, like that. And same here too. Okay. And now, also just give it a little bit of curvature. This is also what makes it fly better. Giving it some curvature helps it give it a little lift when it flies. Alright, and once you did that, there is your bell flicker completed. Alright. I think it's a pretty cool model. And now, I'm going to show you how it flies. Here we go. I'm going to have this be the thumbnail. Okay. Alright, so to fly this bell, I'm going to hold it by the bell part, and I'm going to flick on the handle. So here we go. Ooh, flew pretty good. I flicked it a little bit too hard. That's why I kind of flipped. But I'm going to try again. There we go. Ooh, I almost hit the target. That was kind of a fail. Yeah, nailed it. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.